Time 6:45. Temperature on the car says 28 degrees. It's at the sunset time. A little bit cooler at this time. And all day was hot. Look at this man.
These German people don't change.
Who is it? Huh? Sophia. Sure. You give, already now. It's magnet.
No.
It's magnet. This magnet.
Yes, and from here it's plain, but I don't know why.
Okay, you give me one.
Ah, from here it's laser. Look.
Already. You can put one in the car here to have. Put one here in the car.
Of course.
Which one with 2 pens?
I have three with 5 pens.
Yeah, okay, put one here.
here.
Put one here to have the magnets useful. Hera, put one here.
No, for sure.
Have to put one here when you need to
No.
have it.
You have pens here.
This radar cars here now also.
Good.
Yes, here you see. What is that? Maybe different ones.
No, they give me a lot.
Oh, they have shop with
I
pens.
think so. Look at mine.
It's a car with a speed radar. Where is he? He's not really safe.
Look.
Oh, you told them like pens.
No. It was making fun of me. And this is the very nice. Look.
This from one couple. You know, from one couple.
Yes. Mary, look.
Let me see it. Jesus. How does the material?
Maybe it's a bit expensive, but it's gift.
It's like souvenir. Souvenir pen. I cannot go there from there. Oh. I cannot go here now. I can or I cannot? I don't know.
From here.
I cannot go.
Why?
It's one way. Oof. Oh, it's one way, I don't understand. Why don't leave it open? For them people to park. For parking they leave it. It's really stupid.
Helper liqueur.
Here would be these chairs for Saudi for waiting. And after to the harbour, they're gonna go in the boat, and I will make a drone when they go in the boat.
Wait.
Saudi. was for English, now it's Cypriot they make this. We came to the bus street, unfortunately we couldn't go on the... Okay, let's go from this way. Because they make the baby chocos. Why don't I have one?
Give one bite to Marie.
What you need from the mall?
I just need a bag.
Yes.
And if I will see some white shirts.
Take some turkey from Scavenit.
What?
Turkey. From where you buy and pack?
From Jumbo.
It's not gonna play again.
Yeah, what can I do?
Okay, we'll drive all the way to the mall and then we stop the video. Temperature on the cast it says 28 degrees. And the time now it's 6:54. Because as we approach the winter, it gets dark faster. Here is the Kings Avenue Mall. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can join the channel, become a member. And also don't forget to press the bell to get notified next time we go live or next time we upload a video. Not so many cars surprisingly, huh? It's early.